In this video, let's see how to complete the guest check-in process in the Sky HMS hotel management system. Click on the Check-in tab in the navigation bar. Kindly input your contact number in the Contact field on the form. Enter the first name in the First Name field in the form. Enter the city in the City field in the form. Choose the room type and its number. Enter the number of male guests. Then enter the number of female guests. Click the I button to enter additional guest details. Enter the additional guest's name in the Guest Name field. Enter the guest's phone number in the Phone Number field. Click the Save button to save the guest information. Enter the number of days the guest will be staying. Enter the PIN code in the Address Details section. Enter the guest's address in the Address field in the Address Details form. Click the Create Check-in button to finalize your check-in process, and you are now successfully checked in.